thing to happen to victims of crimes in California. SB 94 is also not only a misguided criminal justice reform, it is an absolute lie that Senator Cortese and his proponents have put out to California. This legislation would send a chilling message to all of California and the nation that the suffering and pain and trauma that victims endure doesn't matter and fails in comparison to the rights of vicious and heinous murderers. Let's be clear. Senator Cortese and his proponents would like you to believe that SB 94 is going to let out people that are older criminals in our community, saying that they wouldn't harm again. First of all, he has no facts to that. Secondly, these individuals that receive life without parole in California earn their way to life without parole. And when I say earn, that's because they commit murder, why they rape, why they commit child molest, why they burglarize, why they bludgeon people to death, why they light people on fire. They prey on women, children, and elderly. A victim never ages out of their trauma. What right does a heinous and horrendous murderer have to age out of prison? What right does Senator Cortese and proponents have to allow those people, and by the way, they don't even have to show any rehabilitation or remorse. What right does this legislature have to let them back out in our communities when we said they are horrendous murderers and deserve life behind bars? SB 81 is also a dangerous criminal justice reform. It would allow and mandate a presumption that a person who is eligible for parole would be released. That means that when a vicious and violent lifer comes up for parole, there's a presumption that they should be released.